Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a US bank account in Wise. First, go to wise.com or open the Wise app. Tap Register, choose Personal or Business. Set a password and verify your email. Once logged in, go to the Balances tab. Tap Get Account Details, then select USD. If prompted, upload a valid ID and proof of address. Wise will review your documents and verify your account, usually within a few hours to a couple of days. Once verified, you'll receive your very own US routing number, account number, and bank name. And you can now receive USD payments from clients, employers, or friends anywhere in the world. And that's it. That's how to create a US bank account in Wise. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.